Hi everybody, this is Stephanie from Stephanie Stitches. I'm taking a little bit of a note from my sister shop, Yvette Renee Creations. She told me I should put up videos when new fabric lines come in, so that's what I'm doing. I cut the tape, but I wanted to show you what came in today. Moda days are good days. I love Moda days. So today, the new Sherry and Chelsea line pre-cuts came in. Yay! These were supposed to be in February. And it is almost July. So these were one of the things that unfortunately got stuck in all that pandemic backup on the boats or whatever. So they're finally here. Look how pretty this is. I have fat quarter bundles. Look at that gorgeous fabric. And I have charm packs. And I also have some accompanying yardage. So I have the blue floral, which is really pretty. I love those. This aqua, kind of hard to see the color, but aqua dots. I should just open it for you guys. Shiny. There. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at the aqua dots. And then I have the same aqua in a floral. Let me see if I can get that open real quick. There we go. There it is. So pretty. All right, well, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned because I have more things coming. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you all that the fig tree strawberries and rhubarb line is in. I have yardage, and I've cut this kit. It's a really, really cute kit. It's 67 by 67, and these are all the fabrics you'll get in the kit to make the whole top and the binding. It's very, very cute. I love it. I can't wait to make it myself. Take care.